Alright guys, we're back. Got a new truck. I'm not going to blur out the license plate because everybody was talking shit the last time. 2022 Ram Limited. Borla ATAK exhaust. I did a AFV intake, which I'm not really sure I like as much as the K&N, but I'll let you guys hear it. I'm going to start it up. We'll do a couple of revs. I'll show you the intake, and we'll go from there. Sounds good. Not sure it sounds as loud, but maybe I'm wrong. Let me know. Show you the intake. This is the AFV intake. It was blue, the oiled filter. So let me know what you guys think. I got more stuff coming, ordered, so I'll keep you up to date. The last one I couldn't really do much because there was no parts, but this is the limited 22 night package, fully loaded. That beeping noise I'm gonna try and make stop, because if nobody knows, on the 22s it beeps when you get out. Alright. Show you the front. Alright. I got more stuff coming for you. Let me know what you think about this, how it sounds. See you later.